good range right here. Headshots here.
Alright, I'm doing a charging rapid fire CZ-82. See that?
What was that doing?
Alright, good. CZ-82. Just messing around.
What was that doing?
Alright, maybe shooting again. Alright, we're doing 275 round drums and yugo M72 RPK and Monster 10 AK-47. And you can see the crazy Here we go.
Alright, dude, $3. What, really 4? 2, 3.